Good morning, students. Welcome back once again. Today we will continue with Unit 4. Once I saw a little bird. So, students, today we will do the new words from the poem. But before we start the new words, let's recite the poem once again. Unit 4. Once I saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. So students, recite the poems once again with your parents. So now let's sing the poem. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? So students, enjoy the poem. Now we will start the new words. Number 1, bird. B-I-R-D, bird. Bird is a type of animal that has wings, beak and feathers and can fly. Example, I want to keep a bird as a pet. And number 2, that bird is very beautiful. So the word is bird. B-I-R-D, bird. Second word, hop. H-O-P, hop. Meaning to jump over. Example, I like to hop in the rain. So students, see the two pictures. The first picture is of the bunny rabbit. How the bunny rabbit hops from one place to another. And the second picture is of a little girl. How she is playing the hopscotch. So the word is hop. H-O-P, hop. Third word, tail. T-A-I-L, tail. The part of an animal's body that extends from the animal's back end. And the example is, the tail of a squirrel is very soft. Have you seen the squirrel? Yes, seen the picture the squirrel? The tail is very, very soft. Next word is stop. S-T-O-P, stop. Meaning to bring to an end. Example, the bus will stop now. So see the picture. What can you see? Yes, there's a bus stop and the bus is stopping at the bus stop. So the word is stop. S-T-O-P, stop. Next word, window. W-I-N-D-O-W, window. Window is an opening in a wall where glass is put so that people can see outside. Example, please open the window. Yes, students, see the picture. We open the window so that the fresh air from the fresh nature can come inside our house. So the word is window. Now we will revise the new words. Number 1, bird. B-I-R-D, bird. Number 2, hop. H-O-P, hop. Number 3, tail. T-A-I-L, tail. Number 4, stop. S-T-O-P, stop. Number 5, window. W-I-N-D-O-W, window. So students, once again repeat after me the new words. Bird, hop, tail, stop, window. Now students, now we will also do the rhyming words. Yes, do you remember what are rhyming words? The words that have the same sound but their meaning is different. So number 1, B-I-R-D, bird, and the rhyming words are cord and ford. Number 2, H-O-P, hop, and the rhyming words are top, cop. Number 3, T-A-I-L, tail, and the rhyming words are male, nail. Number 4, S-T-O-P, stop, and the rhyming word is pop and cop. And number 5, window. W-I-N-D-O-W. Window, the fifth word. The rhyming words are not given, so all of you find the rhyming words for window with the help of your parents and write the answer. So students, today's activity is number 1. Learn and write the new words 2 times each. And number 2, learn and write the rhyming words. Both the question 1 and 2 complete in your classwork notebook neatly. So put today's date and complete the new words and the rhyming words. So students, be safe. Have a blessed and fruitful day. Thank you. Till the next class. Bye students.